Honeybees can forage at varying distances from their hive, depending on factors such as the availability of floral resources and the bee colony's needs. Typically, honeybees can travel up to several miles from their hive in search of nectar and pollen. However, they tend to prefer foraging closer to the hive when possible, as it conserves energy and reduces the risks associated with longer flights. Bees are known to make decisions about foraging distance based on the quality and proximity of food sources. Thanks for watching this video.